this film. I hope you like the monkeys. I'm sure you'll see